What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a super quick look at Vechain here. We are doing 8 videos today, but we're keeping them very short and sweet because we do, we basically have a lot to do today. So we're just going to be doing the updates for you guys, but we are keeping them really short. So basically just to summarize what's been going on, you can see obviously Vechain in a big downtrend. We've got that bounce off the downside now, and it seems as though basically we were on a journey up, weren't we, to the upside. It looks as though we had the high, low, high, and we were going to keep going doing something like this, but with the Bitcoin crash as well, we come all the way back down. And essentially, we formed a little bit of a range, potentially looking something like this, haven't we? We're on this previous swing high, flipped into support, looking something like that potentially, where basically, we come up, we come down, we form our range, we're just chopping it up like this. We do break out, but we fail to hold the previous range higher support. We come all the way back down to 10 cents with that El Salvador crash. And then since then, we've just been chopping it up at the bottom of the range in and around the 55. Basically just, trying to figure out what's going on because, Vechain hasn't been looking too bullish recently. And it does look as though that bounce essentially is probably going to be coming very, very soon in our opinion. And if we throw our fib retracement tool on here, you can see basically some of the levels are being absolutely perfectly respected. You can see here we're coming up under our 55. We flipped the 0.23 into support. We got support here, resistance flipped into support again. We run all the way up pretty much to the 618 extension. We come back down to the bottom of the range, chopping it up in around the 0.50. We've managed to get above the 0.618 here momentarily, but obviously that big crash for Bitcoin dragged the market down, and then Vechain, it come all the way down perfectly onto our 0.38 retracement here. And then since then we've just been stuck under our 0.50, haven't we, in between the range and the 50, making a little tiny range like this, basically waiting to see what's going to happen. So Vechain just basically waiting for a nice little catalyst to move, isn't it? And the volume is dropping off, etc, etc. So we could take a look at short-term price predictions then. If we do lose the bottom of this range and roll over, we've obviously got 10 cents, a very strong support, and we could see that high, lower, that high, lower, that high, low, and then high, and really start to get that pump back underway for Vechain if that's the case. And then if we do start to come back up, we've got the 50 obviously at around 12 cents, the top of this range here at 14 cents, and then we've got that 15.5, 16 cent level here as well as short-term price targets. And then once we get back towards that all-time high after breaking that 0.78 at around 20 cents, then obviously we do have some potential targets here, the 127, the 141, etc. We do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain is a realistic target by the end of this bull run, which is around a 5 to 10x. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.